Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to log in or sign up or sign in to Hulu using the Disney Plus bundle, then this video is for you. So if you have purchased a Disney bundle, one of these, there is two bundle available right now. So if you purchase one of these, you can find Hulu is included. So all you have to do when you have just purchased this Disney Plus bundle, and use your email address and set up a password and some personal details, so you can use the same credential in Hulu. So you have to simply search for Hulu and log into and go to the Hulu website, official website, and from here you have to do is simply you can find the login button at the top right corner. Simply click on login, and you can find the login page where you can use the credential like the same email that you have associated with your Disney Plus bundle account. Then enter, then continue, then it will give you the code. Then actually it will ask for the password, then you have to add the password. Then you might need to go through the two-factor authentication, that it will send some code to your mail. So you have to check your mailbox and enter that code and simply confirm the login, and you are good to go to log into Hulu account using your same Disney Plus bundle. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.